अथ धूपः ॐ भूरसि भूर्वधूर्वन्तं भूर्वतयोऽस्मान् भूर्वतितं भूर्वयं वयं भूर्वामस्त्वं देवानामसि स्वस्तितमं पप्पितमं जुष्टतमं वह्नितमं देवहूतममृतमसीर्हविर्दानं त्रिगं हस्तमाह्वा मित्रस्य त्वा चक्षुषा प्रेक्षेमाभिर्मा संविक्ता मा त्वाहिगुंसिषं श्रीसर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय सद्गुरुनित्यानन्दाय नमः धूपम् आघ्रापयामि अथ दीपः ॐ उद्दीप्यस्वजातवेदो भग्निर्निरृतिं मम पशोगस्तमह्यमावह जीवनं च दिशो दिशा मानो हि वंशी जातवेदो गामश्वं पुरुषं जगत् अभिव्रजग्नागहि श्रियामा परिपातय श्रीसर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय सद्गुरुनित्यानन्दाय नमः दीपं दर्शयामि नैवेद्यम् ॐ मधुवातारितायते मधुक्षरन्ति सिन्धवः माधीर्न सन्तोषधीः मदनक्तमुतोषधि मदनक्ताति भगुम्रजः मधुघोरस्तु नः पिता मधुमान्नो वनस्पतिर्मधुवागुम् अस्तु सूर्यः मा दीर्घावो भवन्तु नः मधु 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 ॐ श्री सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय सद्गुरुनित्यानन्दाय नमः नैवेद्यं निवेदयामि आरात्रिकम् ॐ राजातिराजाय प्रसन्नसाहिने नमो वयं वैश्रवणाय कुर्महे समे कामान् कामकामाय मह्यं कामेश्वरो वैश्रवणो ददातु कुबेराय वैश्रवणाय महाराजाय नमः कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि श्री सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय सद्गुरुनित्यानन्दाय नमः कर्पूरनीराजनं सन्दर्शयामि रक्षां धारयामि
नित्यानन्देश्वर महा सदाशिवसमारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरि आदिशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Shri Mahants, Mahants, everyone sitting with us all over the world, MSS graduates, Inner Awakening graduates, Nitya Kriya Yoga participants sitting in Adi Kailasa, and all the Nitya Kriya Yoga participants sitting all over the world at this time through two-way video conferencing having Nayana Diksha. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. I'll try to share some of the essential sacred secrets, the highest truths is what I call essential. When I say essential, I am not saying leaving something and taking out the juice and giving you. No. When I say essential, I mean highest important. The highest important is what I call essential, not just taking some juice and leaving some part. No. Juice is always juice, never equivalent to real fruit. But the essential is seed of the fruit, not the juice of the fruit. When I say essential, I mean the seed, not juice. Some of the most important sacred secrets, sacred truths of the spiritual alchemy related to biology of guru-disciple relationship. Especially today with Arunagiri Yogeshwara gracing all of us here. Today went and spent little time in the sacred arts where the Gurukul Balasans are getting trained in Malakamba, Shivastamba, who are going for various competitions. I was describing some of the things about Arunagiri Yogeshwara and the biology of guru-disciple relationship. I'll try to share that with all of you. Physics part of the guru-disciple relationship is like living in his breathing space. The chemistry part, tuning into the powerful cognitions he shares. One of the biggest problem, the biology part is such sacred and secret. It is such an important component of power manifestation science, literally working on your very system and detoxifying you and making you manifest the highest possibility. See, as long as we are just teaching, people are very happy, nobody feels threatened. But the moment the experience, the powerful cognitions become powers, starts manifesting, every other person feels powerless other than the disciple and guru who manifest the powers. Understand. In front of rich, always others feel very poor. If you are millionaire, in front of a billionaire, you forget you are a millionaire. You feel like you are a dirt. That is the funny game of mind. In front of a person who has only few $100,000. If you are a millionaire, you feel you are a rich guy. In front of a billionaire, it is not that you feel you are a middle class rich guy, you just feel you are a dirt. That's the way mind works. Same way, understand, when somebody is manifesting powers, especially like us, group of people manifesting powers, the kind of the attraction and attention you get, real seekers get attracted to you. Focus, attention also you get along with seekers. That is where the whole problem is. And focus cannot handle, see, they cannot do what you do to manifest powers. They are not interested in power manifestation. These dogs, I have seen these atheist donkeys, they come and tell, if God is there, tell him to appear in front of me. Why should he appear in front of you? He is not the street side prostitute. யார் கேட்டாலும் அவுத்து காட்டுறதுக்கு. He has his own dignity. Why should he appear in front of you? Stupid fellows. They cannot do what they should do to have darshan of God. They will challenge. The focus. I think today's satsang super hit is that one word in Tamil I uttered. I know. That word is going to become a super hit word, I know. But what to do? The truth need to be told very straight. See, these guys will not be interested in doing what need to be done for power manifestation, but they will go on be poking. If you can do, then tell him to initiate me. Let me also do. Why should I give you? Why should I give you? I don't need to give you powers to make you believe I am something great. I am not interested in you believing me. Powers are the gift given to people who merge into the powerfulness out of love. It's for seekers, not for pokers. It is like when you say, oh, we got the milk from the cow. How can this milk come out of cow? Let me go and see. You take a nail and poke. You are not going to get milk by poking the cow with the nail. You may get blood. Milk is given for the people who ask with a tremendous love. Pokers may get blood, but not milk. Because it is a different science. To understand the biology of this whole science, the guru-disciple relationship, tremendous preparation is required. Because the science is so sweet, personal, beautiful. amazing, ultimate. Only who tasted can understand. Who tasted can understand. Even the deity worship, only if you had a pet you will understand others' emotional attachment towards their pet. Your only pet is whiskey bottle, never tasted anything sweet and light in your life other than alcohol, then what will you understand the sweet sentiment people carry with their pets? For the dog, why are they wasting so much money? I can get quarter. Only if you have had a pet, you can understand others' emotion, sentiments, attachment towards their pet. Till then you cannot understand. Same way, only if you know the intimacy of the puja, Atmartha puja, you can understand others' connection with Atmartha puja. Otherwise you can never understand. A man who has understood the sacredness of personal spiritual sentiments will respect all traditions. That is why Hinduism by nature respects all traditions. By essence we respect all traditions. By nature we respect all traditions. If you see me in front of Jagannatha or Vishwanatha, you will see I am same. How I melt in front of Vishwanatha, I melt the same way in front of Jagannatha. If you see me in front of Arunachala or Ranganatha, it will be same. It's not that it will be little less in front of Ranganatha. Once you know melting, you know melting is God. You melt in God, melting.